Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Trish Crochet. So, today's video is going to be very short and simple. We're just going to learn how to make a leaf. You can add your leaf to any crochet project, be it your flowers, be it your coaster, be it your cardigan, to your caps, any crochet project. So, I wanted to add a leaf to my flowers and my other home crochet project that I made. Lately have been making a lot of coasters and I wanted to add leaf to my coasters because I have been just adding flowers, so why not leaf too. I wanted to add that simple pinch of green to my project. So first off we start with making a slip knot and then we chain 9, and after that we are going to go into our second chain and start our project. So we begin by chaining 9. After we are done chaining 9, what we do is very simple. We simply go inside that very second chain. We skip our first chain and we go inside that second chain. Make sure to not go in the middle back portion, but make sure to just go inside that chain that you created. Skip one chain and go inside that second chain. Go inside that second chain and make sure to make a single crochet. So to make a single crochet, you simply take out a loop, 2 loops on the hoop, yarn over. Alright, so we are not going in that middle portion, we are going inside our chain. 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through all the 2 loops. There you go, you have your single crochet. But make sure you make the single crochet after skipping one chain. So you start by doing your project from the second chain. So now we are going to make a half double crochet into our second chain, third chain, not second. In the second chain we are going to make single crochet, and then third chain we'll make a half double crochet, followed by in the next stitch we make a double crochet. So we are going to make a double crochet into our next stitch, and followed by we are going to make 2 double crochet into our next stitch. So in this stitch we just make a double crochet, and then in the next stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet together in the very same stitch. And then we are going inside that very next stitch and we are going to make 2 double crochet together inside that very next stitch. So in the last stitch we made 1 double crochet, also known as single double crochet, but in this stitch we will make 2 double crochet together. Into the same stitch go inside and finish off with our another double crochet. In the next stitch we will be making our single double crochet again. So it is like a reverse effect. So in between we have 2 double crochet, and in this side we have our double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet. So we keep on following that pattern until we reach to the end, and then I'm going to show you how we are going to turn our work and make the other side of the leaf. So we are going to make our half double crochet, and then we are going to make our single crochet in the next stitch. In the last stitch we are going to make another single crochet so that we can join our chain from the other side, because the leaf has both sides to it. So we're just making single crochet in the next stitch. Just go inside. I was having a lot of trouble going inside that stitch, so we'll finish it with our single crochet, and then to finish off our work we are just going to make another single crochet and chain 1 and go to our right side of the leaf. So after we are done with our another single crochet to finish off our row, this is how the other side of our leaf is gonna look like. First side of our leaf, so it's like a decrease to increase to decrease. So we are just going to chain one and start from the other side of our leaf. So I'm just taking that tail and making sure I'm making the leaf with my tail so that I don't have to get rid of the tail at the end of my work. So we just start by making a single crochet, but in the second stitch, not the first stitch. So we skip one chain and start making our single crochet from the second stitch, followed by making our half double crochet into the very next stitch. Sorry about my throat. I have been lately having not a very good circumstances, especially the weather. It's really humid out here and I'm drinking a lot of cold beverage and it didn't do a lot of justice to my throat. So we finish our half double crochet and then followed by our double crochet into the next stitch. And after we are done with making our single double crochet, we go inside that very stitch and make two double crochet together inside that very same stitch. So making our one double crochet and going inside that very same stitch and making our another double crochet. So our leaf is going to look like a proper leaf when it has that decrease to decrease pattern, which you can see and you can follow. So we make our reverse effect. We just go inside our next stitch and make our double crochet, followed by our half double crochet in the next stitch, and then followed by our single crochet. Make sure to also join in your first stitch by making a slip stitch. So we are going to make our half double crochet into our next stitch, and then we are making our last stitch single crochet. Go inside that stitch. It might look a little complicated as it's small and you might miss the stitch, but you just have to count the chains, that's all. So we're going to go inside our that very first chain that you see, and we are just going to make a slip stitch. So go inside that stitch, make sure you take both the V formation and simply take out that loop. There you go, your slip stitch. So let me know in the comment box if it looks like a leaf or not. To me it sure does. And I was thinking about taking a pastel color, and look how you can make an addition to your any flower or crochet project. So how adorable, isn't it? Let me know in the comment box what is your pattern of making a leaf. Like, share, subscribe. Take care guys, loads of love. Keep on adding little things to your crochet project.